It's February, and here in Washington, we are starting to get temperatures above 50 degrees. So on one of those days, we went to see this Lucy Falls waterfall that is close by us. After enjoying this beautiful view, my little farmers wanted to stop by and get some chicks for our farm. So here at Wilco, each of my little farmers are gonna get 3 chicks. There they are. The kids were really excited about it. So the next thing, we needed to create a temporary place where these chicks can grow till they're about 4 weeks. So we made this little chicken pen for them with cardboards that we had in the garage laying around. Nope, they ain't food. That's not our cats stopped by to check out a new addition to the farm. Those cats are definitely gonna eat. Placed the lamp there. And on the bottom we'll place some hay. Now it's time to introduce the chicks to their new home. For now, the only thing that chicks need is some food, some water, and some heat. So we've provided that for them to prevent from cats and from chicks from escaping. We've covered the top as well. So this will be the chicks' home for now, and my little farmers are going to be feeding them and growing them. So this is just something interesting that the kids can do. They raise their own chickens and take care of some animals. But with this temperature rising, the bees are starting to be active as well. So I'll be putting out updates on bees pretty soon as well. The bees are active.